Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to film this video. I am going to be doing a jewellery haul, but I also thought that I would include some accessories in this video also that I have recently purchased, such as a handbag, socks. Yeah, socks. I love socks. Sunglasses, and then obviously bits and pieces of jewellery. I do not have a love for handbags, I don't care for shoes, but just don't take my jewellery. I love my big gold chains, my big gold statement pieces, my big hoops, you know, I love tacky jewellery. Most of the products in this video, such as the handbag, the socks, the sunglasses, the other accessories, are all from Shein. I will leave it linked down below. Do keep in mind it is the UK version. One thing that I always tend to get asked in my videos is, where did you get your jewellery? Where did you get your necklace? Where is your necklace from? And more than likely it's from this website because it's the only place I buy my jewellery. They are very affordable, but I love their jewellery. For an affordable website, their jewellery is really, really good in my opinion. So the first item is a handbag. I love this handbag. I am obsessed with this handbag. I initially bought this handbag to take on holidays with me in the next couple of weeks because I just kind of thought that it was really cute. It's black, it's simple, and it will go with anything, but it can also dress an outfit up as well. So as you can see, the material of it is black PU and it is a crocodile print. So as you can see, this is just how it opens up, and whenever I open it up, it obviously has a strap. It is still stuffed with the stuff, by the way, because I want it to kind of keep it in its shape to show you guys what it actually looks like. So anytime I'm going on holiday, I actually like to take a handbag that does have a strap, so I can kind of like strap it around myself and have it like at the front. Obviously I can have it like this as well for the evening time. I think that would be super cute. So yeah, I just absolutely love this handbag. I just love how dainty and cute it is. It is just, I love it. I just absolutely love this handbag. The next thing is earrings. So these are a pair of hoop earrings, and they are just letter decorated hoop earrings, and they say baby. Now, as I was saying, I love tacky jewellery, and these, as soon as I seen them, I was like, tacky, love it, basket. But I don't know, I just really love earrings like this. I just kind of find that once you put a pair of hoop earrings in, it just finishes you off. Like, it's not as if they're really cheap feeling, and they're really light. That they do have like a bit of weight to them. I absolutely love these earrings. And next up, I got two pairs of sunglasses. I would say whenever it comes to sunglasses, like, I would say a lot of people prefer to splash out in a pair of sunglasses, like having a good pair of sunglasses. Whenever it comes to myself, I don't wear sunglasses. I just don't wear sunglasses. I live in Ireland, the north of Ireland, and we do not see the sun. I find it quite cute whenever English people say, our weather is so bad, we never see the sun, and it's like, shut the fuck up. But do you know what? I'm going on holidays quite a few times this year, and I thought I would venture out and actually buy some sunglasses. Kind of think it's about time I act at my age whenever I'm in a car and I'm not like this. I need sunglasses. I kind of just thought that I would check out what the sunglasses were like on Shein website, just to see how I kind of liked wearing sunglasses all the time whenever I wanted to and stuff. So I wasn't going to spend an absolute fortune on sunglasses. Yes, thank you. The first pair is this pair. These scare the living shit out of me, like, I'm not even joking. But these are just like a pair of flat top glasses, and they just have that kind of like print in them. I don't even know what that print is called, but I absolutely love it. And yeah, I just absolutely love these sunglasses, and I just kind of think that they are pretty boss looking. It's just like as soon as I put these on, I'm like, peasants. Yous are all peasants. I feel like a boss ass bitch in these glasses. I'm not even joking. Like, I feel like Jacqueline Hill. I'm busy. So I bought this necklace, I would say, about a couple of months ago, whenever they were like in style. I didn't buy this necklace on Shein. I actually bought this whenever I was buying this jacket, La Sola. I think it's pronounced La Sola, but as you can see, it is just a big pendant of my initial, which is E for, you guessed it, Emma. And I'm so happy that I can now eventually start wearing this jewellery, because I've all just had this in like a box just sitting and waiting to do this haul. So next up is another pair of earrings. So whenever I did order these on the website, I was actually expecting these to be about this size. Like, you know, the wee tiny hoops. Yeah. So as you can see, they're just like a hollow flower hoop earring. These earrings were a couple of pounds, and I will admit that they do kind of feel slightly cheaper in weight and stuff, but I still think they are really, really pretty. I really love the design of them. I would say they're like a really nice earring to pair up with an outfit in the summer or something. Talking about like earrings for like the summer and stuff, I picked out these earrings as well. With it coming into spring and summer, I just kind of thought that these would be absolutely beautiful to wear in the summer, summer's evening or summer's night or whatever. So as you can see, they are like a rose gold, more of like a true gold to be honest, and they kind of have just like a really, really delicate cut out just throughout the center. These kind of do feel a wee bit cheaper, I would say, because they're so thin and they are more of like a delicate cut, and because they are more of like a delicate style, that's probably why it do feel cheaper. We're gonna go on a wee earring bend. These are just like wee rose detailed hoops. I did buy these because I'm wanting to get, I obviously have my ears pierced up in my lobes once, but I'm wanting to get a few more piercings at the bottom of my lobes, so I was kind of thinking that these wee earrings would look quite nice kind of like up here, and I was actually expecting these to be slightly smaller, but as you can see they are quite big. As you can see, you get 5 pairs in here. I did take 1 pair out to wear today, but I couldn't actually get them in my ear, so I just gave up. I was just like, fuck that. And I thought that these were really, really cute if I did have like a pair of like plain hoops on, and then like one of these on both sides above the hip. I just kind of thought that they would be really, really cute. Next up we have brooches. I don't know, I was just on the website and I was going through like the men's accessories and clothing, but I just kind of thought that these would look really cute on like my leather jackets or my denim jackets at the collar. So you can kind of tell what I mean now by placing them here. I don't know what way I would have them though. Okay, so that's just what they look like there. I think they actually look pretty awesome. Obviously this is where I was wanting to put them, but I'm sure you can have them like say here, like the 2 of them on each side, or here, or just anywhere, or at the back, or if you have patches on your denim jacket or your leather jacket. Okay, so next up we have socks. As I was saying, I bought quite a lot of socks, but I'm not going to show all of them because some of them are just boring and simple. So I just ordered 2 pairs of socks. I just kind of like to wear my leggings or my joggers or my jeans and literally pull on a pair of socks, pull them up and stick on a pair of like my chunky trainers. Not too sure what the black ones would look like. I think I might just wear these and just stick around the house or something. Next pair of socks I got are these. These are socks with print on them. They just say 1997 hip hop. I wasn't born in 1997. I don't know anything about 1997. I just kind of thought that these were really, really nice, and I really love the colour of them. These were under £2, so yeah, absolutely love them socky diddle doos. I got another pair of socks. I may as well just show you these 2, and these were really, really different. I kind of hemmed and hawed at buying these, but I just kind of thought, you know what, screw it, get them anyway. But these are actually fishnet socks. But yeah, I bought a pair of fishnet socks. It's as if I'm expecting to put a penis into that. These are going to be so interesting to try and get my feet into. Like, I'm probably going to be walking around like this. Is my big toe just supposed to go in this part here? What even? That's like the world's worst condom ever. It literally something to put your wiener in. My mama is going to get a queer shock whenever I put these out to the wash. As you can see, they're just like a striped detail ankle sock. I actually think that these are going to look really, really cool, especially with tan on. I think you would definitely need to have tan on, and a pair of like fresh white trainers. Yes. I really apologise if you do not care for socks, but honestly, if you have a weird fetish like me for socks, honestly, you need to get your backside onto Shein and look at the socks. So these are socks that I bought quite a while ago, but I want to show you them because I absolutely love these socks. They're very rude. You have a pair that says asshole, then you have a pair that say fuck off, bullshit, damn it, absolutely love these ones, shut up. love these ones too. Like, they're so rude and they're so cringe, but I love them. I think we will give jewellery and socks a break and we'll go on to another pair of sunglasses. So as you can see, they're kind of like a... Oh no! This is whenever I wish I'd have paid attention in Maz. They're not rectangle, obviously. As you can see down the side, they kind of have like a rose gold detail, and they have the rose gold detail around the lens as well, and then across here. And at the top here, I don't know if you can see or not, but they kind of go a wee bit thicker just to kind of give it a wee bit more of a detail. But I just love these glasses. I just think they are so cool. So they did have these style, and they did have ones that were circle. They kind of look like Lady Gaga glasses, or I listened to Oasis once. Next up, I have two more things I want to talk about, but first off is another pair of earrings. I actually got these not that long ago. I think it was a couple of weekends ago in the River Island in Magherfield. I was in the shopping centre in there, and I just lifted these because I noticed that these were £10 down to £4, and you can't go wrong for a pair of £4 pair of hoops. They're kind of like a double hoop. One is just like a plain gold, and then one has like diamond like rhinestones through it. I would actually say all the hoop earrings that I do actually have, these are probably the most dressier. I think it because it does have like the wee diamond bits through it, which is actually quite nice. Okay, so next up we have a necklace, and I have no idea how I'm going to sort this out or get this around my neck or whatever. It's like one of those layered ones, so bear with me. It is honestly so pretty. So I absolutely love layered necklaces. I do wear quite a lot of them, but I just kind of thought that this would just look so nice. Okay everyone, so this completes this haul. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and if I ever go on a jewellery, accessories shopping spree anytime again, I will film it to let you guys see what I did get, because I know I get so much comments and questions about my jewellery, and as I was saying, it is so affordable. My jewellery does not break the bank. I would say there's quite a lot of people out there that will not even buy this jewellery because it is so cheap. You're a snob, and I'm not. I'm humble. I'm only humble until I put these glasses on, and then I'm like, bitch please. Oh, I look like Paris Hilton. And I cannot wait to wear my little cock sock thing. So don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll all be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.